Well, you can see that this bit's sticking up, and the fairing's not going to go over that too nicely. So we're going to see if we can fix this with a dink stick, which is just a piece of HDPE with a slot cut in it and rounded corners. Let's see how we go. This is going to take a while. You're supposed to patiently go about this. Yeah, got something in the way. Find the pliers and take that cleco out. Yeah, what did I do with them? There they are. Okay, let me take you around for another angle so you can see it's starting to work already. You can see it's sort of starting to fit in there. So patience is a virtue here. Patience, tolerance, and all those sorts of things. Stuff I don't have in excess. Oops, my dink stick broke. Yeah, bugger. Yeah, well, I'll make another one. I guess I should complain where I bought the thing at. But, you know, you get the idea. Won't take long to fix this. Make it so the fairing will fit. Yeah, do I let you wait while I make another one? Yeah, why not? Be right back. Yeah, look on the bright side. At least I'm not torturing you with stuff about my life and all that. Okay, we're back. New dink stick, or new end on it. Try not to break this one. Yeah. Probably should have made that slot just a little deeper. I'll be right back. Alrighty. There we go. I thought about hammering it some, you know, taking a hammer to it, but this looks like it's working good enough. Almost done there. Get it right in there so we bend it up close. It's supposed to be a video of somebody else doing this. If you feel like letting me know who it was in the comments. Now, I think I need to take this off to make room. So you can see it's starting to work. Maybe put some pause to that a little bit. Okay. Here's another thing you can do with a dink stick. Just kind of smooth things out a little bit. That's why I like the HDPE plastic, because it kind of smooths some of these lumps out that I made. Yeah, just cut a real thin hacksaw slot with this. Yeah, let's put things back together and see what we did. See if we overdid. You know what they say, worth doing, worth overdoing. Looks like that's going to want to push up a little bit. Put the stuff back on. Oh, tricky. Have to push that in first. Yeah. Well, it's still a little bit lumpy. Right. You have to remember we're building a flying tractor here. Yeah. It's in good company. That just massages it a little bit. You can see there's some teeny little dents there. I could hammer them or do something about them, but yeah, don't go that fast. Anyway, there it is, dink stick, problem solved.